Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to Alazaesbeauty Beauty. So I'm gonna do a quick little video. It is highly requested. I had a person comment on my TikTok. They definitely like my skin, so thank you. I've been definitely trying my best to take care of my skin as much as possible. Now I will be using all Clinique products. They're actually one of the ones I like, one of my favorites, so you know I can't complain with Clinique. I love Clinique. Now I am not getting paid. These are my personal thoughts, my personal everything, but I just want to share what I do as a nighttime routine. So, for example, obviously you're going to wash your face. I usually use a Clinique liquid facial, which is going to be this one, the one that comes in a pump. I use the oily skin since I'm oily skin. So I already did that. I already washed your face. Remember, you always want to wash your face, kind of take everything off, clear it out. Next thing you're going to do is get your exfoliator. And some people call this toner. This will be more of an exfoliator slash toner in a way. So, let me go ahead. And I use the number 4 on this one. This is my favorite. I'm not gonna lie, I will never switch off of this one. This one I just love. Love the way it feels. It cleans, it exfoliates, like the whole works. So, basically, whatever your face cleanser hasn't got, this definitely will get. And I love because it exfoliates your skin. So when you wear your foundation, you don't see it, you know, kind of cakey or anything, so on. So you see, still took a little bit more off. That was good. All right, so once you do that, now you're going to apply a serum. So the serum I'm going to use today, this is the Even Better Clean Radical Dark Spot Corrector Interrupter. So this is going to help with my dark spots because I do have a little bit aging spots. So it's going to help with my dark spots, plus prevent new ones from coming in. So you can't go wrong. So I'm going to apply 1 pump. Remember, a serum is going to penetrate the skin and a moisturizer is going to be in the top layer of the skin. So you definitely always want both. Apply. You hear my son in the background having fun. There's gonna be this one. That way you guys know. Boom. Alright, so after I do that, then I'm gonna go with my Moisture Surge. I love this stuff. This one hydrates like nobody's business. And even for my oily skin, remember, we need that hydration no matter what. A lot of people mess up when they think oily skin, they don't need that hydration. Yes, you do. That's why our body's producing more oils, because it's not getting enough what it should be getting. So put some of that in there and go again. Let you know what it is. Moisture Surge. And this is cool because this is the only moisturizer I know, even after washing your face, it still gives you 96 hours of hydration. So how cool is that? Alright, got that. So next thing I'm going to do, let's not forget, we're going to do our eyes. So I'm going to go, this is one of my faves, I'm not going to lie. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge, what is it called? Hydro Filler Concentrate. Well, basically this for the eyes. You'll see this one. This one I love, especially for me in the mornings. It helps me depuff my eyes. For some reason, every time I wake up in the morning, my eyes are so puffy. Like, oh my goodness. But there you go. Apply like this. And this will be, like I said, it'll be like your serum. When it comes to this one, I just like to do as much as eye products as I can to hydrate my eye. Anything that can help with dark circles and puffiness, believe me, your girl is all for it. So, like I said, it'll be this one right over here. I love that stuff. So, the next one I'm going to put, it is the All About Eyes, reduces the puffiness and dark circles. So, it's going to be kind of like how the Moisture Surge, you got this one like the mom, and then you got the baby. Boom. So, this is going to be a little bit richer. So, it's kind of like how I did with the serum and then the moisturizer, pretty much about the same. So, you're going to apply it like so. And then, just blend, blend, blend. My son. Alright. And then, once you're done, and when you're done, then I'm also going to do the lips. And the lips is going to be from the Moisture Surge as well, which is going to be this one. Because remember, you always want to hydrate your lips. I already exfoliated my lips already. And that one, I use typical just e.l.f. scrubber, like lip scrubber. And then you're going to apply this like so. And then that is it. And you are all set for the night. So just boom. And remember, for the eye one, if you want to make it as a mask, just apply a little bit more and go to sleep. And that is it. All right, my beautiful people. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. That is my nighttime routine using Clinique. It's one of my faves. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much. And don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. Bye-bye. And good night.